Alright, the next notes you want to take are something called Cramer's rule. Okay, write this down. Cramer's rule. This guy, Gabriel Cramer, was able to kind of make this, I don't know, he's sitting down for hours, I'm sure, making this rule he found to solve any linear system of two equations, two variables, okay, which you know how to solve by hand, and three equations, three variables, and maybe even more, but that's all I know is two equations, two variables, three equations, three variables. So, but here's what he uses. You want to know this key concept right here, okay? I'm going to make you learn Cramer's rule for a 2 by 2 system. So here's what you have to know. If I give you any system, like 2x plus 3y equals 7, 4x plus 4y equals 8, okay? There's a system. Okay? It has to be in this order. X is y's constant, x, y constant for us to be able to do this. Notice, x is y's and e is a constant. So basically, we just want to know what is A, B, E, C, D, F. So you have to memorize these letters, A, B, E, C, D, F. So this is A, B, E, C, D, F. So C, D, F. If you memorize this order, and then you memorize this and this, this is actually pretty easy. This is actually easier than doing elimination or substitution if you remember this, which I'll expect you to remember. Okay? So, remember this, A, B, E, C, D, F. And then we're going to remember this. All you have to do is this. X, the answer for X for this system is basically, notice this means determinant. Determinant of E, B, F, D, determinant of a 2 by 2 divided by another determinant of a 2 by 2. But what goes inside here? They have determinant of A. Well, what they're saying is A is called the coefficient matrix. Notice all the coefficients, A, B, C, D. All these coefficients, put it in here. They want the determinant of this. So I'm just going to say determinant of A, B, C, D. Alright? So EBFD determinant divided by determinant of ABCD. If you do those two things, if you find determinant, you get a number. Find this determinant, get a number, and you'll divide, and you'll be done. X is equal to blank. Okay? Then Y is equal to, you just got to memorize this pattern, AECF. So determinant of AECF. So I look at it up here. AECF. Okay, those four numbers. Put those on top. Over, obviously, A, B, C, D. Always over A, B, C, D determinant. What is A, B, C, D? The coefficients right here. The coefficient matrix. Okay, well, E, B, F, D, look at that pattern. Now it's backwards. E, start here at E, B, F, D. Memorize this pattern. E, B, F, D. Put it here. The Y is AECF. Put it there. Okay, just got to memorize patterns. That's all it is. Once you've memorized it, it can be very easy. Let's use this pattern right here to do the next problem. Alright, so if we want to use Cramer's rule, we have to remember X is equal to EBFD, determinant of this, over A, B, C, D. You just got to remember where those letters are in here. Okay, it's already set up. X, Y is constant, X, Y is constant, set up for you. Y is equal to the pattern. This, if you memorize the pattern, right? So AECF. The A, the E, the C, the F. Determinant divided by A, B, C, D. Alright, so all we have to do is put in numbers. X is equal to EBFD. What is this? A, B, C, D, E, F. So there's A, B, there's C, D, there's E, there's F, if you remember it all. Okay, hopefully you do. Here we go, EB. So EB, remember this pattern. -6 and 4. and then negative 21 and negative 5. All over the A, B, C, D right here. 9, 4, 3, negative 5. 9, 4, 3, negative 5. Y, put it over here, give us some room. AECF, so AE, so 9, negative 6. CF, 3, negative 21. Once you get the hang of this, it's quick, okay? It doesn't take as long as it seems. And then bottom ABCD, 9, 4, 3, negative 5. All right, here we go. Let's do this. Downward, which is, what's that, 30, minus upward, which is negative 84. So downward minus upward. So 30 plus negative 8. I'll just write it out. 30 minus negative 84, right? Downward minus upward. Over, downward, negative 45 minus upward, 12. So final, almost final. 30 plus 84 is 114. Over, negative 45 minus 12. What is that? Negative 57. And if you divide these two in your calculator, you will get equals negative 2. X is negative 2. Perfect. Do this one. I know the bottom already. Downward minus upward. I already got it from this one over here, which is negative 57. Do this one. Downward, which is what? Negative 189. Negative 189. Minus upward, which is negative 18. So negative 189 plus 18, which is negative 171. Divide these two, and that is equal to a positive 3. So y is equal to positive 3. Put those two together. Negative 2 is x, y is positive 3. And now you know how to solve a system using Cramer's rule. You just have to memorize these two things, okay, and the letters here. Alright? Pretty easy, just got to take some time. Alright, just check out this just for a second. Cramer's rule for a 3x3 system. So right now you know Cramer's rule for a 2x2, 2 equations, 2 variables. What if we had 3 equations, 3 variables? You would have your coefficient matrix is a 3x3. And then each of these down here, x is equal to this, y, and z equal to this. That looks pretty complicated, right? But you already know how to solve a system of 3 equations, 3 variables in the calculator, okay? I'll allow you to use the RREF to do this, okay? I'm not going to make you memorize this, but I do want you to memorize the 2x2, okay? Please do that, all right?